Today I want to talk to you guys about this Karfo food waste composter. It's an electric composter. It's designed to go on a counter like it is now here in a kitchen. Now they did send me this product for review, but they want me to show you what it is and how it works. You do get a manual here, an instruction manual, and it tells you what you can put in there and what you can't. You want to make sure you really pay attention to that a little bit. Let me show you, open this up. You just press the button. And this thing opens up here. And inside you have a charcoal filter system. Now, again, I just got this, so I have to take off these little stickers and so forth. But you can hear it in here, the charcoal filter. So as this is working, it's not smelling up your kitchen. There's a little fan, a little exhaust fan, so it exhausts all the fumes and the stuff out of this. Because what this does is it actually will cook the food and it spins around and chops it up. Let me show you the inside. So this is the inside, and there's some heavy duty steel blades. Now this is kind of a heavy unit here, but this thing is super duper heavy duty. It does come out like this as well. Let me take it out. This is what the inside of the unit looks like. You really don't want to put anything inside here at all, but you can take this piece out so you can wash it and everything, and it just comes out with a little handle. You can see it's got all the electronics down here, so you really don't want to get it wet, but you want to wash it out if you need to, because it's going to get lots of stuff in there, lots of food and waste. And again, it's supposed to turn it into compost, which is ideal for gardens. Okay, I peeled off the stickers, and that's what reveals the holes for the charcoal filter. There's one on the top, one on the bottom, that kind of thing there. What we want to do is we want to put this back in, clicks right in just like that, and then of course this comes down and close securely there. Now, there is a power button here at the top, so let me plug this in. I'll show you what that's like. Okay, a couple things. It does say also on here that it's a hot surface when it's going, because again, it's got high temperatures. So here's the power button here. I turned it on, and right now this is quick mode. This is suitable for handling food waste with small amount of food and a little bit of moisture. So the ending product can be directly discarded. Now the next mode here is the standard mode. Now this mode says this mode is suitable for food waste with moderate food waste and moisture content. The ending product can be stored as fertilizer. And the next mode is the cleaning mode. It says when the barrel needs to be clean, add about 2/5 of the clean water to start this mode. Start this mode when the machine has not been used for a long time and the interior needs to be cleaned. When there is water residue in the bucket and no food waste, the mode can be started without adding water to the dry bucket, the machine filter channel. Now you turn it on. When you get to the cycle that you want, you press and hold this down for 3 seconds to start the mode. Now the quick mode is about 2.5 hours, standard mode is 5 hours, and the clean mode is a half an hour. So depending on which mode you use, it'll take a little while. You just kind of set it and forget about it. Okay, it took a few days, but I was able to fill this up with some stuff. It's about 3/4 or half the way full. It says you can go up to 3/4. We got some egg shells in there, some food scraps, some mandarin orange things, and some bread pieces, and some coffee grounds, and I think there's a banana peel in there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try and see what happens. We're going to close this down, make sure it's locked into place. It's already on. I'm going to hit it on the main or the big cycle, well, not the quick cycle, but the regular cycle. And you guys hit it, hold it down for a few seconds. And oh, there you go. Oh, there it is running now. And this cycle here says it should be about 5.5 hours. So it's going to take a little while. We'll let it run its thing, and I'll show you what it's like when it's all done. Oh yeah, for the sound, I can hear it spinning in there, because remember there's a little grinder stuff here at the bottom. It's going to heat up and grind all the pieces, but it's not really loud at all. I think the most part is coming from the fan. It's pretty quiet, really. Okay, I had this in here for the 5.5 hours. I just left it overnight. It's the next morning now. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it here. I don't know how much of it you can see. I'm going to pull it out, though. I'm going to pull it out and show you what this is. Now, I thought I would actually chop it up finer than this, but it's dry because it heats it and chops it up. So everything is completely dry. Here you can see the eggshells and some other little bits and pieces and stuff, and then the coffee grinds and so forth. But it worked pretty good. That stuff should also break down a bit more when it's in your garden. But that's what it looks like. I'll go ahead and pull it out on some on this plate here. So there you go, a little bit more closer up. It is completely dry. Again, it cooks it and it shreds it up a little bit there. So it looks like it worked out pretty good. I took it down to a very small amount. Again, this thing was about half full. You can load it up with all your food scraps, and that's what it ends up looking at. We're going to go ahead and put that in the garden. It would be nice to help our plants grow. So if you're looking for a food composter like this one might be the right one for you.